Get it all layered in there. Well, I was so thankful I come across this recipe. I know my kids were too, because some of the things that come out in the 1940s, yeah, were questionable as far as what we would eat. I'm going to salt it just a tad. Add a little garlic powder. Just a little bit of Italian seasoning. And yeah, guess what comes next? You guessed cheese. And baby, you guessed it right. And I am a big cheese person. So I'm usually giving Shannon over at Journey along with Shannon a hard time about her cheese habits, but I really honestly I can't say anything because mine is just as bad. Alright, so I got that mozzarella down. Then we're going to take it a step further. Yep. Just a little bit more cheese. I can't help it. I'm sorry, guys. It is what it is. I like cheese. So here we go with some fresh sliced mozz. And it don't get much better than that. Or should I say, doesn't. Yep, I'm gonna poke this mozz down in there. Oh my goodness, I got 4 slices left. I'm just gonna have to scoot some of these over. Maybe I got 5 slices left. This is gonna be a cheesy situation. Needless to say, that's going to finish this up. Now, the last thing for this, that's right, the top crust. Back in a bit. Just like that, guys. What do you think? Top layer on. Went over the top with a little bit of butter, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. That finishes it off. Sauce on the top. Ready for the oven. Alright, you guys. We're going to see how this turned out. Here we go. Chicago deep dish pizza. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and we will catch you next time.